Namaskar. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Unscripted, the new talk show by SNU RIL, the own television of Sister Nivedita University. As you can understand from the name of the program, Unscripted, this is a platform where we will discuss without any script. That means candid discussion, and candid discussion with our guests, which is on different topics, very relevant topics, and many questions from you are also welcome. Yes, we are going Facebook Live, so all our faculty members, parents, students, all are welcome in the program, and you can have the questions to us. And at the very beginning, let me not introduce, let me talk to our guest. Today is our guest is our Honorable Registrar Sir and Director Academics Techno India Group, Professor Shumon Chattopadhyay. Sir, welcome to our program.
Well, thank you so much, and really indebted that you started this unscripted one with me.
Yes, sir.
And perhaps you thought that this is the person who starts with the unscripted kind of things in the university so far.
Actually, sir, yeah, we are opening the innings with you. So you were the opening batsman of the team, the backbone of the team, and the opening batsman of the team.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And as we have told at the very beginning, the name of the program, the concept of the program is unscripted. That means candid discussion. So we will be having different issues, different discussions, but absolutely candid discussion. And since this is a candid discussion, what we have decided, স্যারের সঙ্গে আমরা কথাও বলেছি যে এটা একটা মিক্সড ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ প্রোগ্রামও আমরা করতে পারি, অর্থাৎ ইংলিশ বাংলা দুটো ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজেই আমরা কথা বলবো। আপনারা প্রশ্ন করতে পারেন, স্টুডেন্টদের বলছি তোমরাও প্রশ্ন করতে পারো ফেসবুকে, এবং সেই প্রশ্ন আমাদের টেকনিক্যাল টিম আমাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছেন, আমাদের এইচওডি মিনাল ম্যাম রয়েছেন টেকনিক্যাল টিমে নিজে, সঙ্গে নামাশিস রয়েছেন, ওরা আমাদেরকে হেল্প করবেন কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো তোমাদের থেকে আমাদের কাছে পৌঁছে দেওয়ার জন্য। স্যার রয়েছেনই টু আনসার অল ইয়োর কোয়ারিজ। So sir, to start with, first I would like to ask that we are standing on a juncture after almost a 1 year of a very stressful year of pandemic. We are slowly coming back to the normal life. In fact, the graph is going down in whole India along with our West Bengal, Kolkata. So there is a ray of hope. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. So what is your take on this situation, this juncture? How much with taking, of course, with taking all precautions, now we can go back to the normal life?
Yes, Shekhar Babu, in fact, we don't like such kind of situations, and to all my dear students who are watching this Facebook Live, time and again I had been telling that we all here missed you so much. To all the stakeholders like faculty members, the staff, they came here to the campus in batches, various kinds of batches, maintaining all the restrictions and the protocols that was there. Incidentally, very soon perhaps these things would go to a normal phase. Now what we mean by normal phase? This normal phase perhaps won't be the normal like we had before, because we need to be careful and we need to have certain restrictions also. The kind of things like social distancing, wearing masks, sanitizing, so on and so forth. But as we say in SNU, nothing stops us.
Absolutely.
SNU rocks and will keep rocking, and the kind of things that we will be doing. Incidentally, yes, the campus activities are not low, absolutely like zero with the students, because students are not coming.
Yes.
But we want the activities to start very soon. Incidentally, you'd be very happy to know that Sister Nivedita University had been selected as a vaccination center.
Oh, great.
Very recently.
Great news, great news.
So you can understand that our intent is very positive. We want to start, and we want to start with very positive note, where we want to bring in our students, our faculty members back, all the stakeholders, and we are working on it. Hopefully we are waiting for the kind of directives from the statutory organizations or the bodies, including the state government, and post that notification, we are ready to start, and we are ready to meet our own dear students.
And sir, as you have said, just taking cue from what you have said, just yesterday the West Bengal Honorable Education Minister of West Bengal has said that they are discussing about the possibilities of opening up the academic institutions, at least in parts, from February. So in our institution, Sister Nivedita University, we have been, as you have said, we have been in the midst of all kind of activities, but in virtual platform, and we are coming with all the protocols. So if the government directive comes and they decide to give the directions to open the institutions, so what you will say to the students?
Yeah, because before that we had a notification from University Grants Commission. There is a guideline as how to open the educational institutions, yes, and especially the higher educational institutions. Here it is worth to say that there are departments where there are a lot of practicals involved.
Yes.
So normally what happens is, as I said, this is a neo-normal kind of thing. Don't worry about it. I mean, your things will be done. Normally we had a 5 days week, we will have a 6 days week. So that would put your, so that is something which is very interesting. Number one. Number two is, say for example, we start with the practical classes first, and the batch size of the practical classes would be a little bit lower than the kind of practical
normal
classes,
yes,
normal practical classes that you had. Why this is so? Because it's quite obvious, like we need to have the social distancing and the kind of restrictions. Secondly, even the classes, those would be divided into batches and so on and so forth. But nevertheless, we won't miss the zeal, we won't miss the campus life, the campus addas, all these things will be there, and all the activities will go on, and slowly we would be moving towards adapting this new system and normalizing it with our day-to-day life. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, if there is any question, I'll be very happy to answer to
yes,
that. Yeah.
Yes, we have a question.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so one of our students, mass communication department students, Tanishka, is asking that whether the institution, academic institution, I mean our campus should open or not in this situation.
Tanishka, I would like to see you. Won't you like to see us? Like, you should see us. Like, we had been waiting for so long, to see our students back to the campus. Yeah, of course, as I mentioned, there will be certain restrictions, we'll be seeing each other, but then with a distance we'll be seeing each other. We'll be talking to each other, but with a distance we'll be talking to each other. And that's how it's, and if you want to get my answer as it's a yes or a no, that campus should be opened, or a no, yes, campus should be opened, because there are a lot of activities. Probably there are people who are with the duty of putting this kind of guidelines and kind of notifications. Those are the people sitting in the government. They'll notify us and they'll tell us how to do it, and we are very eager to do it.
So Tanishka, I suppose you have got your answer from sir that yes, of course, maintaining all the protocols, the government directives and all the standard protocols, the SOPs, which we have been following for the almost last 1 year. We will follow that, and we can open the campus as sir has said that after getting the green signal from the authority, we can start our activities. And yes, you will come, we will meet each other. In fact, sir, there is, I was just talking to some of our students yesterday only that we were planning about some programs and some events. So I was telling them that this is perhaps for the first time that I'm taking your class for last 6 months, almost 6 months, but I do not know your faces. So আমার মনে হয় স্যার এটা একটা বিরাট প্রবলেম যে আমরা কাউকে ভালো করে এখনো চিনেই উঠতে পারলাম না।
হ্যাঁ, এটা তো আছে। মানে ফর এক্সাম্পল ইফ ইউ সি দ্য ফার্স্ট ইয়ার, মানে the first year, we know the second year, we know the third year, but the first year students who had already been admitted, and let me tell you a very small incident where several students from one of the departments, they came one day, and incidentally at that point of the time, the campus was almost like vacant, because it was a Saturday, I suppose. Very few officers were there, and a couple of faculty members. And I asked that why did you come, because there are restrictions. Challenge is when somebody comes, because it's their campus, it's their home.
Yes,
If you go to your home and if somebody stops you from not coming to or entering your home, you'll feel
Absolutely.
bad. So I
Absolutely,
said that let them come in. I asked them, what is the problem? They said that, sir, we don't want to sit back at home, and then we are done with this kind of online kind of teaching and all these things. You have to understand, this is happening everywhere.
yes,
I have a kid of 8 years old. He's having the same problem. So I can understand, both at home, at my office also. Challenge is to make these kids understand that yes, you should be careful, because the situation we were in due to COVID-19 has not completely changed, like it's not gone. So therefore we need to be careful. আর আমরা বসে আছি তোমাদের জন্য বাবা, কিন্তু you have to understand. And that day, in fact, I just told them that if you feel bored at any point of time, do get back to us, but do not come in a group. If you want to come in 1 or 2 or maybe 3, it's okay. I mean, you just can come and see the campus. Especially this challenge is happening with this first year students.
yes, exactly, sir.
And they are missing their campus.
Yes.
They had a feeling that after we complete the class 12, we'll go into the university or the college, and then we'll have a great college life and we'll enjoy it. But you can understand that is missing.
Yes.
So yeah, so that's what
Sir,
is happening.
not only that, sir, there I know in UG1, I mean the first semester students, and in fact maybe from PG1 also, there are some students who till now they have almost on the verge of their first semester examination, but some of them have not visited their campus at all because they are outstation candidates. And I was talking to them, have you seen our campus? She said ki sir abhi to dekha nahi hai abhi tak to. So this is we can also understand their pain. Sir, along with that, some hosteler students are asking that what about them, that what about the
we are starting to open the hostel as well. If the question is about opening the hostels, yes, all the hostels, if you remember, last March, the hostels as well as the institution was closed. So it was a notification from the government that you have to close everything. So the notification comes and you have to come better, then you have to be prepared that we need to, of course we need to open the hostels, but also there will be several restrictions in the hostels as well. And this time we had got enough time to prepare ourselves, and the hostels this time will be different. So kind of various other amenities will be there in the hostels, apart from supporting you, because we understand that since we are taking in the students would be coming in batches, so therefore the ones who will stay back at the hostel would attend the online classes, while the ones who are coming to the the institution on a particular day, maybe everybody would come in some day or the other, but in batches, as I mentioned. But those in the hostels should not feel bored out, or and then should feel comfortable. So that's what we are planning. So yeah, depending on the notification, definitely will come. So that's what is happening. Yeah.
Yes, questions from, yes. Right. Okay. Sir, one student from statistics department, Shagnik Ghosh from 3rd year, he is asking a question that they are supposed to do some industrial training. So how this will happen in this situation?
Yes, Shagnik, it is very difficult to answer that, because there would be guidelines on that as well. If you remember the last guidelines from AICT and UGC regarding the industrial internships or these things, they till now maintain that this thing should be done online. But now challenge is industry requirement is different from the academic requirement.
Right.
Industry, industries has opened and they have started their work, and all these things as they have started these things. So what actually we want right now is we need to wait and keep a watch on the things. Of course we understand the necessity, because you are almost going to the final year, and trust me, we are equally, if not more, we are equally worried as you are that you need the industrial tradings, and we'll take your voice to every corner and we'll keep no stone unturned to see that you get the desired industrial trading. Especially Shagnik, remember, as I said earlier also, we have a lot of expectations from your batch. Your batch is the first in statistics, and we have got the excellent boys and the girls in your department and in your batch. So we are looking forward to it, and will extend all the help which is required from the university to see that this happens.
Okay, I suppose Shagnik, you have got your answer from sir, and the next question is sir from Vinit Kumar. He has asked that since you have said that SNU has been selected as a vaccination center, so his question is, will the students get a priority to get the vaccines?
Abhinit ji, kaise hain aap? You know, yeah, of course. I mean, what actually happened was, if you remember, the vaccination program as of now, which has started by the government, is for the frontline warriors.
Yes.
What do you mean by these frontline warriors? The frontline warriors are those who are into the the medical kind of things, like doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, so on and so forth, and of course into those who are linked into those kind of things directly or indirectly. So we got the opportunity, since nursing department is there, and the nursing fraternity and the faculty members, the staff members, and also the students. So we will be starting with that. But हाँ, हम चाहेंगे कि अपना ये सेंटर रहे और जितना भी अपना स्टूडेंट हो सबको वैक्सीन मिले ये सेंटर से, यही अपना उम्मीद है, और ये उम्मीद लेके हम आगे चलेंगे, और आगे चल के हम गवर्नमेंट के पास भी ये देंगे हम. या अवनीत जी.
Okay, so Avinit, you have got your answer, so keep your fingers crossed.
लेकिन पढ़ाई करो अविनीत. I am following you. पढ़ाई करो. हाँ.
So since sir has said so, I suppose it will all of course happen. So the next question is from Neha Pandey, mass communication student. Sir, Neha is asking regarding the internship and placement, whether it will happen in the natural process or what?
या नेहा, वो तो होगा ही. एंड देन योर डिपार्टमेंट हैज प्लान्ड अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज, लाइक lot of internship activities and the placement activities. One of the best things that you will be getting, and this time, while you come back to the institution, when we start, you will be given a kind of apart from the academic calendar, the kind of calendar in which the company visits will take place, the internships will happen, because you need to be prepared, because what happens normally is various companies has got various kinds of requirements. So in order to get you paced up with all these things, your department has planned a lot of things, and perhaps go back to your HOD and you can know further as what are the plannings are there, and keep smiling, and you're a lovely child. Go ahead and fly high. God bless you.
Next question is from Shayoni Rai, sir, our student. Shayoni is asking what will be the pattern
Shayoni Rai from biotechnology? Shayoni from mass communication?
Mass
communication,
communication.
Okay.
So she is asking what about the rules and procedures and of the examination in this situation?
Very strict rules, yeah, very strict rules. You Shayoni, why do you come up with kind of, questions regarding the rules regarding, examinations? Examinations, as of now, you know that, we are having this online, but definitely when you come to the campus, you'd have the change rules. As of now, I'll definitely request the controller of examination to come in this kind of program and answer these queries.
Yes, sir.
But this time, the rules are like, since it's an online format and a proctored format, proctored meaning you have the invigilators while you give the physical examination, but here the proctoring or the kind of invigilation will be done or remotely, where your invigilators will check you through the mobile cam. In fact, we had been getting various queries like how be possible. Nowadays what happens is, most of you have these mobile devices or the kind of laptops or this thing. If you don't, please don't hesitate to get back to us. We'll help you out. It doesn't mean that if you are not being able to do in this format, then there will be certain other formats also. And I'd request you also, Shoikat Babu, that from your department also you organize such kind of an event where the controller of examination can elaborate on this process.
Of course.
Yeah.
We are planning to do so. Because there will be a lot of queries regarding this.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Yes. And sir, next question is very interesting, sir, from Minakshi Bhatt, once again from Mass Communication Department. Minakshi is asking you that if you were a first year student and you face this kind of situation, you cannot come to your campus, you are not enjoying the campus life, you cannot meet your friends and faculty members. So how would you have felt?
भाग के आ जाता और क्या, कैंपस भाग के आ जाता, को कैंपस के बाहर रह सकता है क्या? Minakshi, if you understand, that is a very kind of what do I say? I mean, that's what I can say honestly. If you put that word honest. But I did not have a registrar like me during my time. I am there watching that whether you want to come. So I'll be restricting you because at the end of the day, I care about you, Minakshi, and definitely, yes, you can come to the campus, and I also, because had I been in your place, definitely I'd be looking around to see or to avail every opportunity to come to the campus. Very soon, Minakshi, just don't worry, very soon you will be also coming to the campus. Have a little bit more patience, that's it.
Yes, Minakshi, this kind of questions we are facing regularly. So you have got your answer, yes sir. এরকম কোয়েশ্চেনও পেয়েছি যে স্যার আর ভালো লাগছে না বাড়িতে বসে থাকতে, এবার কি যাব? So I have to give the same answer like you, sir, that
আমরা আপনি দেখেছেন হয়তো যে আমরা যখন মাঝে আমরা যখন নিজেদেরকে নিজেরা দেখছিলাম না, আপনি আমাকে দেখছিলেন বা আমি আপনাদের দেখছিলাম না, আমরা ফোনে কথা বলছিলাম, ইট হ্যাপেন্স উইথ আস। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দিস কিডস, দিস আর ফ্রম 18 years to maybe 20-22 years. What do you expect? Like, আমাদের ভালো লাগছে না তো ওদের করতে ভালো লাগবে। And the kind of the problems that they are having, they are not seeing their friends, they are at home. এখন কি হয়ে গেছে জানেন তো, এক একটা বাড়িতে আপনি লক্ষ্য করে দেখবেন একটি বা দুটি বাচ্চা, বাবা মা সে বেরোতে পারছে না বা কোথাও যেতে পারছে না, বন্ধুদের সাথে মিশতে পারছে না, ক্যাম্পাসে আসতে, যেটা সবচেয়ে বড় দরকার, কামিং টু দ্য ক্যাম্পাস।
Exactly, sir.
That's what is not happening. We can understand this thing, and trust me, very soon we will see each other, and very soon, we'll try to go towards that normal. Yeah.
So the life has been confined into your mobile phones. I understand, sir can understand well. So as sir has said, we will be soon we will overcome this situation. And the next question is from Preeti Jana, our student. Preeti is asking about your college life. How did you spend your college life and campus life?
She's the one of the naughtiest students that I had ever had, and she's one of the naughtiest students in engineering. প্রীতি, আমার কলেজ লাইফ খুব ভালো ছিল, মানে খুব ভালো ছিল বলতে আমি খুব এনজয় করেছি। এবং আমি যখন তোমাদেরকে দেখি যে তোমরা এনজয় করছো, তোমরা ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছ, আনন্দ করছো, পড়াশোনা করছো, তখন আমার এগুলো ফিরে আসে। আর আমি চাই যে তোমরা আরও বেশি পড়াশোনা করো, আরও বেশি লাইফটাকে এনজয় করো। আর একটা কথা মাথায় রাখবে যে শুধু পড়াশোনাটা বা এটাই আসল কথা না। এই যে 3-4 বছর যেটা কলেজে আছে, এটা না ফেরত আসবে না আর কখনো। কাজে এই যে সময়টা আমরা পেলাম প্রীতি, সেই সময়টা আমাদের খুব ভালো করে কাটাতে হবে, পড়াশোনাটাও শিখতে হবে, খুব ভালো করে নিজেকে তৈরি করতে হবে। কারণ আমি প্লেসমেন্টের দিকে যাচ্ছি এবার, তোমাকে তো করতেই হবে কারণ তুমি অলরেডি 3rd ইয়ারে এখন। সো এবার তোমার 4th ইয়ার চলে এলো, আর হচ্ছে যে কিন্তু ভুললে চলবে না যে আমাদেরকে এনজয় করতে হবে। আর হ্যাঁ, আমি তোমার নাচ দেখি, মানে তোমার ফেসবুকে, খুব ভালো লাগে আমার। কিপ ডুইং দ্যাট, অ্যান্ড গড ব্লেস ইউ মাই চাইল্ড। ওকে, গড ব্লেস ইউ।
And so the next question, I was expecting this question. Now the question has come from Prantik Shil. Prantik, she is asking that will we be having an online fest also?
Yeah, Prantik, 22nd February is, that day we were all looking forward to. I don't know, I mean, I had been telling to everybody. Yeah, of course, we are planning something. The Vice Chancellor has already given his kind of directives or kind of advice as how to go about it, and we are planning. Let's see if something that can be done. There are two things, in fact, Prantik, দেখো বাবা আমি দুটো জিনিস নিয়ে বলবো, একটা হচ্ছে এটা, অ্যান্ড অলসো উই ওয়ান্ট সামথিং অফ বসন্ত উৎসব or the Holi that's coming up, very near. So these are the two activities that I am also looking forward to. I don't know how we can celebrate Holi online, but if at Holi you are at home and I am there, that doesn't make any sense. Anyway, let's see. Let's hope for the best. Yeah.
And I can assure you about one thing, that sir, me or all other faculty members are also eager about the festivals and the programs, sir. We are also eager about that, so something will happen, something will take place. And Shorith Rai is asking about that, sir, that online classes will happen. So it will be regular online classes or only will be in the blended mode?
Yeah, it will be. Sorry, that a blended mode হবে. It will be in blended mode. In fact, what is happening really is, due to the social distancing norms that we need to follow, supposing that your batch had a size of 40 to 60 or whatsoever, we cannot call in everybody at a single point of time. So therefore, supposing that as in schools we had section A, section B or something like that, with a smaller proportion of students, so that we will do. So one batch will be coming here for these face-to-face classes, while the other would be going for the online one. So that is what would happen, and then on the other day they will be coming in for the physical face-to-face, and the other would go for a online. And the same would go also for the practicals and the sessionals that would happen. So that is the format that we are planning to, Shorith, and খুব মন দিয়ে পড়াশোনা করো শরীর, তোমরাও একই ব্যাচের, এবং আমি দেখতে তোমাদেরকে পাচ্ছি না অনেক দিন ধরে, আশা করছি ভালো আছো, সুস্থ থাকো, ভালো থাকো, আর when you come to the campus you can enjoy this kind of format. এটা নিয়ে ঘাবড়াবার কিছু নেই শরীর, this is a new form, একটা নিউ নর্মাল যেটাকে আমরা বলতে পারি, এবং এটা নিয়ে আমরা দেখব আমরা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি এটাকে অ্যাডাপ্ট করে নেব, ডোন্ট ওয়ারি।
Shorith এবং আরও যেসব স্টুডেন্টরা এই প্রোগ্রামটা দেখছো, those who are watching this program, if you anybody of you have watched our first take program a few weeks back with our honorable Vice Chancellor sir, sir also said the same thing what Registrar sir is saying today, that it will be in blended mode and we will be adapting it very quickly. So don't worry about that, we will be in the blended mode. And the next question, or sir, rather a demand coming from Hemraj Ali from Mass Communication Department. He is a newcomer, first year. Sir, what about freshers party?
I know this kid Hemraj. If I am not wrong, can you just ask Bilal? He is the one who was from North Chobbish Pargana.
No, he is from Murshidabad.
Murshidabad.
Yes, Murshidabad.
Yeah.
Yes.
He was very, let me tell you, since Hemraj is there, he's a very interesting kid. He had a dream of taking up mass communication at certain point of time, and the first person that he interacted with is with me.
Okay, sir.
And the person who doesn't know anything about mass communication, I don't have the mass communication background, and then I connected with you, and then constantly he kept on, and there were certain complications during the admission process. Finally, yes, Hemraj, খুব খুশি হয়েছে তুমি ফোন করেছো, and I am really pleased, I am really happy, and surely we will have something called as freshers. I don't know, because physically I suppose it's not possible, but online, yes, we will do something like that. And when we come physically, or when we actually would have this opportunity to meet one-to-one or face-to-face, definitely we would have a party, and I would have a party with you, one-to-one party. Yeah. God bless you, my child. God bless you.
Yes, Hemraj, you have got your answer. Next question is from Shagnik Ghosh. Shagnik is quite worried about the AIMSTAT examination and IIT JAM examination. He needs some motivation for that, sir. Your message to him?
Yeah, Shagnik, as I mentioned during my last call, that we are talking with your HOD and the other, that the faculty members, that very soon we are trying to have some kind of a online preparations, prep online or something like that for the MSTAT. Yeah, it's very much required. And as soon as your face-to-face classes starts here, we'll also expose you to those kind of, these things. So, and don't be worried. It's not only your dream that you get through in the same stat, or it's not only your dream that you do good and fly high. It's also our dream. So entire university is looking on to your department and especially your batch, because we have a lot of expectations from you, and definitely you will fly high. I am sure about that, and I need you to be sure about that. God bless you, my child.
Okay, Shagnik, I suppose you have got your answer and you have got your required motivation, what you want. The next question is from mass communication student Brian Anthony Thomas. Brian is asking that since it is the last semester and they could not done the projects properly in campus, so would it affect their career in future?
Absolutely not. Everybody understands this, Brian. My child, everybody understands this, and this is a situation, unfortunate situation, especially for those who are into the final year. We had been talking about it, Shaukat Babu, but that those kids who are going to the examinations when we had this lockdown and all these things due to COVID. But yes, the most sufferer are this year's final year students.
Final batches.
So don't you worry about it. It's not going to affect. Everyone in the world knows what happened, and you don't consider yourself as unprivileged or underprivileged. You are more privileged. So whatever needs to be done from the end of the university, whatever needs to be done from our group institutions, and whatever needs to be done from my end or the end of the Vice Chancellor and to our Honorable Chancellor Shri Shottam Rashiri will be doing everything. We'll keep no stone unturned to see that you go through and fly high.
So Brian, I suppose these words from sir is enough motivating for you. So go ahead, don't worry. And next question is from Kushal Chaudhary from engineering. Kushal is a bit depressed that they could not do the practical classes.
Kushal, why do you get depressed all the while? You are such a lively person, and you take part in almost all the activities, including the so-called cultural activities also, apart from the academic one. Don't get depressed. We can understand this and what to do. You see, if you don't have any notification from the government, because those are the regulatory agencies, so if you don't have any kind of notifications, you cannot do it. Of course, we want it so as you wanted that to start the practical classes. Not to worry, Kushal. Very soon we will be doing these practical classes, and very soon we will be meeting in the campus, and very soon we will start the new normal kind of blended learning apart from the online education what is going on. So just don't worry, and together we can and we will. Don't worry.
Trisha Ganguly with the next question. Trisha is from our mass communication department. Trisha is asking, since we are interacting only over phone and could not meet our friends and faculty members, so will it be a problem later on to mingle with all?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. There are couples who who actually they start talking over phone or maybe over internet.
Yes.
But when they meet, that is, I'm not going to that kind of thing. But then again, when you meet with your friends, of course, they also want you to see face to face. You also want to see them face to face. Just don't worry, Trisha. Everything is going to be fine. Keep calm, and definitely when we meet in the campus, definitely it's not going to affect in any way. I can guarantee you that.
Trisha, since you are a student from our mass communication department, so I suppose when we interact in the virtual platform, I suppose there is no dearth of the sense of intimacy or sense of communication. So don't worry, as sir have said, we will mingle with all, not a problem. And the next question from Priti Jana, once again from mass communication department. Priti is asking whether it is better to go for the higher studies after completing graduation or MBA. What is better for her career?
Priti, is up to you to choose, okay? Up to you to choose. There are opportunities if you do an MBA after your BTech, there are opportunities if you go for an MTech and all these things. So, what actually you need to do is you need to understand what are the kind of opportunities that you have if you choose the part of BTech and MBA, or if you choose a part of BTech and MTech, or a PhD and thereafter. So, all these things are there, and then place it before you. How would you like to see them? Interesting point is, Priti, you must understand, with the onset of this national education policy, things would be different, but would be, you would be the largest kind of beneficiary. The student community is going to be the largest beneficiary out of this. One of the most important things that NEP has said is you would have opportunity for a multiple entry and exit in various kinds of programs. Meaning, supposing that after BTech you enjoy maybe 2-3 years working somewhere, you come down and then do a, 1 year you do a MTech and then go out and then come back again do a MTech, that's possible. Earlier it was not possible. Recently the credit bank regulations have also come. And same with MBA. So don't worry, things are changed. আমরা যখন পড়াশোনা করেছি প্রীতি, তখন আমাদের কাছে এই সমস্ত জিনিসগুলো ছিল না। এখন ন্যাশনাল এডুকেশন পলিসি আসার ফলে কি হয়েছে, এই জিনিসগুলো আরো ভালো হয়েছে। তুমি চাকরি করতে করতে অনেক কিছু করতে পারবে, এত চিন্তিত হওয়ার কোনো কারণ নেই।
Shubhradeep Shatra, next question. What about the third semester students scholarship programs? He wants to know.
Yes, Shubhradeep, those who were getting scholarships in the first year, in the first 2 semesters, by default, as the Vice Chancellor has mentioned, they will be getting this scholarship because this was a difficult time for all of us, not for you, for all of us. So we would say that the scholarships will continue. Thereafter, when we meet, we'll look into that. But your scholarships, if you have got a scholarship, that will continue. And if you want to get a scholarship, meaning those who would like to have scholarships would apply, and merit list, according to the merit list, you can avail the scholarships, not an issue.
And we have come to almost the end of the program. So students, once again, when we will meet our registrar sir, once again, I know you have a lot of questions, but we have a limitation of time, so no more questions today. Sir, before we end, I would just like to ask you one thing, that can you please enlighten us about some future endeavors and future programs of our SNU?
Yeah, life at SNU would be much more enjoying than what we had seen so far, because back here, we had got this plenty of opportunity to plan and implement certain things. Apart from, the kind of learning management system that you go through, that's being built, more robust, and many features had been added to that. So that is the academic part. And what you enjoy with Melbourne or at Melbourne Cafe, you'd have much more cafes here, maybe in the coming days. So that adds, more to this campus value.
That's a great news.
Yeah. So much more cafes and much more, or eating joints and all these things will be there. Apart from that, especially into when we talk about the kind of programs like the industrial internships, as one or two other students had mentioned, and the industrial trainings, that has been given a boost this time. So just don't worry, come to the campus while we are at the campus, we'll be telling you as what to do and how to do it. And definitely we missed you all. And as you were sad, also we were also sad. But now, since we are almost geared up to start afresh and meet each other, I'm looking forward to meet each other, my dear students, and would look forward to definitely for some exciting programs in both academics and extracurricular and other extra academic activities. See you very soon.
With that, we have come to the end of the first episode of Unscripted. Thank you so much, Registrar Sir, for this lively session. We hope that we can have you in this program on another day.
Thank you so much. I'll love to.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And so thank you so much, students, parents and faculty members and all other viewers for being with us. Keep watching SNU Reel.